didn't record this, but I just made my own winner's ribbon. Started with these two objects, and then I made a circle. Then I repeated the pattern all the way around. Then I made these guys and got them how I wanted those. And then I started making outlines in order to see the white better. So everything has now been outlined, and it resembles the image that my mom sent me for the winner's ribbon. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and upload that into my design. And there she be. And I'll replace this image. This one looked the closest to what I was going to make. And that's a nice one, but I have to pay for that. So I'm going to use my own ribbon. And there it is. Just gonna size it to where I want it. And there it is. So these will be the art sheets that will border. So I had to switch computers because this is my drawing computer. And it's the only computer that has Illustrator on it where I do my drawing. And I decided not to make a new design, so I've just been in the same project here since Valentine's Day because I wanted to reuse the gnome, so I had my Valentine's Day gnome. And then this happened. I don't like it when that happens because I don't know what button I pushed to get rid of that. And now I've got this guy. And yeah, so I had to draw him on this laptop. Oh no, we've stalled. Oh no, I've got this error again. good placement. It's pretty close. Not exact. I got it a little bit lower. It's okay. I like to pre-string them because this could be a pain in the butt. This is how I like to assemble my banners. That's a whole bunch of E. Just noticed something a little off about my pattern. They're not alternating. Maybe that one, and that one, and that one should all match up. Like, did I do something wrong? I think how it was laid out on the paper, I forgot that the pattern doesn't repeat. It actually, it alternates, so. That's okay, this is just a prototype. I might have to make another one. That's the way it looks so far. Alrighty, let's go ahead. Move the broom out of the way. So I have these hooks already for other banners. So. So that's how it's gonna look. It's not the cutest window, but just to give you an idea, and keep in mind, this is a mini banner, so it's not sized for this window. So I like to fold my banners with the artwork out. I just wrap them up just like this, alternate, like an accordion.